In this video, we'll explore how to develop applications using quantum AI, providing you with a roadmap to start your first quantum AI project. Did you know that quantum AI could revolutionize the tech industry by solving problems classical computers can't handle efficiently? In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of quantum AI development. We'll explore how quantum computing combined with artificial intelligence is set to create groundbreaking solutions. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own quantum AI project and become a pioneer in this exciting field.
Quantum computing is not just an incremental improvement over classical computing, it's a whole new paradigm. At its core, quantum computing uses qubits, which, unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, can exist in superpositions of states. This means they can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to the principle of superposition. Moreover, qubits can be entangled, meaning the state of one qubit is directly related to the state of another, no matter the distance between them. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at speeds unimaginable for classical computers. Understanding these principles is crucial as they form the backbone of quantum AI applications, enabling us to tackle problems that would be insurmountable otherwise. Let's delve into the realm of quantum algorithms. Unlike classical algorithms, quantum algorithms exploit quantum phenomena to solve complex problems more efficiently. Two of the most famous quantum algorithms are Grover's and Shor's algorithms. Grover's algorithm offers a quadratic speedup for unstructured search problems, while Shor's algorithm can factorize large numbers exponentially faster than the best-known classical algorithms, an ability that threatens contemporary cryptographic systems. Quantum AI uses these algorithms to enhance machine learning models, making them faster and more efficient. Developing quantum algorithms requires a deep understanding of quantum mechanics, but for developers, leveraging existing libraries and frameworks can serve as a practical start. To build quantum AI applications, you'll need access to the right tools and platforms. Fortunately, several tech giants like IBM and Google offer platforms such as IBM Q and Google Circ that provide access to quantum processors via the cloud. These platforms come with comprehensive development kits and libraries that simplify quantum programming. Languages like Qiskit for IBM Q and Circ for Google's platform are vital for writing quantum algorithms. For those just starting, these platforms offer extensive documentation and community support to help developers transition from classical to quantum computing environments smoothly. Integrating AI with quantum computing is where the magic happens. By leveraging quantum computing's capabilities, AI models can be significantly enhanced. Quantum-enhanced AI models are particularly effective in optimization problems, which are prevalent in machine learning. Quantum neural networks, for instance, can process information at unprecedented speeds, enabling quicker training times and more accurate predictions. This integration is not just theoretical, it is already being applied in fields such as drug discovery, financial modeling, and logistics. Developers must understand both quantum computing principles and AI techniques to create these innovative solutions.
Creating a productive environment for quantum AI development is crucial. Quantum simulators play a vital role here, allowing developers to simulate quantum circuits without needing access to physical quantum computers. Jupyter Notebooks has become a preferred tool due to its interactive nature and ease of use. Many integrated development environments, IDEs, now support quantum programming languages, enhancing the development process with features like syntax highlighting and debugging tools. Collaboration tools, such as GitHub, are also essential, especially for projects involving teams spread across different locations. These environments and tools help turn ambitious quantum AI concepts into reality.
Debugging and testing quantum AI applications present unique challenges. Unlike classical computing, where bugs can often be traced through traditional debugging tools, quantum computing requires specialized tools that can handle the probabilistic nature of quantum states. Quantum debuggers, such as the ones provided by IBM and Google, are essential for identifying and resolving issues. Testing quantum algorithms is also crucial to ensure they perform as expected under various conditions. Verification plays a critical role in confirming the correctness of quantum circuits. Effective debugging strategies often involve a combination of simulator testing and live runs on quantum hardware.
Deploying quantum AI applications involves several strategic considerations. Choosing the right quantum hardware is paramount, as different hardware architectures offer varying performance and capabilities. Many developers opt for cloud-based deployment, leveraging platforms like Amazon Braket and Azure Quantum, which provide scalable quantum computing resources. Security implications must be carefully considered, especially given the sensitivity of data processed by quantum applications. Ensuring scalability is crucial to handle increased workloads efficiently. Developers must also focus on performance optimization to fully leverage the potential of quantum computing in practical applications. In the fast evolving field of quantum AI, continuous learning is not just beneficial, it's essential. Numerous online platforms offer courses and certifications that cater to various skill levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners. Reading research papers and journals keeps developers informed about the latest breakthroughs and theoretical advancements. Engaging with community forums and groups provides valuable networking opportunities and insights from fellow developers. Staying up to date with new developments is crucial, as the field is rapidly advancing, with new tools and techniques emerging regularly. This commitment to learning ensures developers are well equipped to tackle future challenges in quantum AI.
We've covered a lot in this video, from understanding quantum computing basics to deploying quantum AI applications. Now, it's your turn to take the first step and start your own project. Join the vibrant community of quantum AI developers and contribute to the future of technology. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping our future content.